In the test kitchen, we've done prime rib every way you can imagine. We've done a traditional with just salt and pepper. We've done it in the big green egg outside, a reverse sear. We've done it sous vide. We've done it with a robust rub on the outside like this one. But we need to spend more time focused on how to slice a prime rib. Here we go. So with a prime rib coming out of the oven, we're going to show you exactly how to slice it. We're going to take the back ribs off of the bone-attached rib roast, and we're going to show you how to slice the roast itself. Don't forget to subscribe right here for all of our other videos and techniques that we do here in the test kitchen. Now that it's had time to rest, we're going to pull the bones off. That would be the back ribs right here. So a standing rib roast, bone attached right here. We're going to pull those bones off, and it's really just about putting your knife, which, by the way, this is a boning knife, a flexible 6-inch boning knife that allows me to kind of ride the side of the bone as it curves. You can see this from the front. You can see how the knife is kind of riding the side, and then I come across, again, keeping very close to that bone. You'll come to a stopping point down here that you kind of have to notch. Bones go this way, and then you have to notch a little bit back toward the roast itself to really free those bones from the roast itself. So now we're free. We've got the back ribs separated from the roast itself. You can see that. Back ribs are perfect for people that like to nibble, right? So I'm all about taking one of these back ribs and having that for myself. We'll give these to our favorite people at the table. Now, carving the prime rib itself, the boneless part, I switch from the boning knife to a very sharp carving knife. Whatever sharp knife you have that's maybe the longest you have. I cut in about 1/2-inch thick slices for each person. That's traditional prime rib. You can slice it thinner for people and have kind of a shaved look going on, but really for a traditional prime rib, about a 1/2-inch thick slice. Just directly going down, and you'll view the beautiful prime rib. Oh, that looks fantastic. Again, about a 1/2-inch thick. Beautiful. Good crispiness. You'll see my temp is where I was targeting. It was like medium rare, going up to a little bit of medium. It should be a crowd pleaser. You'll see because we did a traditional technique, the oven heat makes it more done on the outside and more done on the ends. So let your family have the more done outside pieces if that's what they want. All right, so let's put this on a platter for everyone to enjoy. And there you have it. That's how to carve a prime rib. Not too difficult. You've got this. I hope you enjoy this dish with your family and friends.